This thing started life as a $300 Amazon pocket bike. And then we upgraded it with a $400 engine from eBay.
Oh!
And now we're gonna turn it into the world's smallest snow bike. We've got this track here, which is essentially a snowblower track, and we're gonna modify that for the rear. It's a good size. I think it's actually like perfectly to scale. And then we have this ski from a snowmobile, which is not perfectly to scale at all. But we'll trim it down a little bit and make this into an itty bitty snow bike.
I chopped down the original ski and then tried to reshape it to make it look, you know, somewhat like a ski. I'm not sure how important that back little piece is, but I tried to go for that as well. And the scale works pretty good. As Edwin pointed out, that looks like the appropriate size for, you know, the world's smallest snow bike. So yeah, so now we'll just do the mount for that. I'm done eating fiberglass and plastic for the day, so that's exciting for me. We're doing this mount, and Ethan happens to have a brand new plate, so that saves some time there. So then what I'll just have to do now, take this off and then make a mount that goes to this bolt and then something that holds it from pivoting up here.
While Sam's working on the snow bike, I wanted to show you guys, we have a security camera in the garage now. It's going 24/7. If anything silly happens again, we are not gonna miss it. We've started fires before, missed that on camera, but next time we got it, because this video is sponsored by Cove. Cove makes home security products that you can set up super easy by yourself, and then you let the professionals monitor your house. This system is so cool because you can easily pick out all the different sensors that you need online. And I just set up Ethan's whole house in like 10 minutes. It's super easy. You just plug in the tablet, it tells you everything you need to do, and you just do it. We picked the security panel so we can control everything all in one place. Also picked up 2 door sensors, a freeze smoke alarm, carbon dioxide alarm, just everything you need to keep your house safe. And what I'm most excited about, we're gonna have 24/7 video going on in the garage. We'll never miss a moment. The app is awesome. With Cove, there's no contracts. You can cancel at any time. The service starts at $15 a month, depending on which plan you choose. You can mix and match all the Cove products to fit your home, your office, your garage, whatever you need. So click the link below to check out Cove. If you do that, you are gonna save 50% on your home security system. Special thanks to Cove for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the world's smallest snow bike. How are you liking that plasma cut life?
It's pretty good, you know. I just do this 4 or 5 times to make certain I got it, and then I send it, and it's working great. It is like a lot faster. Not only like once you cut it or cutting it out, but then once it's cut out, you don't have to do as much cleanup, which is super cool.
Looks like the real deal.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, it is. This is a real plasma cutter. It's a real deal. I got these 2 plates made up to mount the ski. So this morning I'm just working on a couple bushings that go between them. And then I'll be able to tack this all together.
I think she's warm. You ready to get it?
I think so.
Whoa! The fact that Sam's even moving in this like foot deep wet snow right now makes me think this is gonna work.
But when it does get traction, it just wants to wheelie all day.
I've got a good feeling about that.
Yeah.
Another huge factor is it's stable enough for him to sit down so you can actually get your weight over the rear tire, which I couldn't do yesterday.
So we just took it out with the ski. The ski does awesome, but the back tire with how much snow there is certainly not cutting it. We're gonna pull this apart, and then I'm gonna get with Boy Genius, and we're gonna come up with a way to change this around and make it fit onto that, because I don't know how to do that. So that's what we're doing.
So basically, we've got this little track which is probably made for a snowblower. The way it works is very simple. We've got this plastic drive sprocket that goes in the middle of it and drives on those lugs. And then we've got these two idlers here which just have some bearings in the middle, and those will go kind of behind it and down a little bit from where it's at now. So it'll have a little bit of a slope at the front. Well, the world's smallest snow bike is coming together real quick. I got these little axle bolts here modified. I just decided to make it all one piece with the swing arm. And you know, if we ever convert it back to a tire, which I'm thinking this will be pretty cool in the summer as well. So we may not put a tire back on, but if we ever do, we'll just build a new swing arm for the tire because we'll want it wider and different and probably longer as well. So this will just be the winter setup. I don't have any tension adjustment down here, but what I do have is some tension adjustment in the chain adjustment. So I moved this main drive sprocket back farther than it will be for the chain tension. So they'll adjust in the opposite direction, but there should be a happy medium there where they're both tight enough.
smallest snow bike. It's not exactly a hill climb.
Times better.
It looks way better.
Yeah, it's awesome.
I can't wait. I've been wanting this for so long.
Yeah, before it was like fun but miserable. Now it's actually just fun.
First to go on the world's smallest snow bike. Here we get it. Oh, it's so much better. Oh yeah. There's top speed. The gearing is way better. Woo! Got slippery over there. This is pretty deep snow for it to be climbing through. Now back here is where it shines.
Oh yeah.
It goes over this rough terrain like it's nothing.
Yeah.
It's way better than it ever was when it was a dirt bike.
Oh yeah, for sure.
This thing's a beast. It's unstoppable.
I'm also getting my daily workout in.
Do you see that giant tree I went over here?
Yeah.
Like this tall of a tree, like it was nothing.
Yeah.
I can't think of any other machine that we have that would be like doing that right now.
Well, I mean, you could do it on a snowmobile, but it'd be like really hard maneuverable wise.
Yeah.
Ability wise.
It's so much fun. Yeah. You don't have to constantly think about falling. You can just chill out and drive the thing.
Yeah. Also, the Colonel would shred these woods right now too.
Oh yeah. This is about to be our first ever timed lap in the snow. This is the first tracked vehicle where we really wanted to do it with, so this will be really interesting. This thing's a beast. Ready, set, go! Nice. Ethan's about 20 pounds lighter than me, and it definitely runs better with him on there. My guess is Ethan's running next to the bike, giving it full throttle to help him up the hill right now. 1:40. Look at it chug. That's amazing. 224, 226, 227, 229.
Well, I spent about a minute down at the bottom trying to get it to run, but...
It doesn't like downhill for some reason, huh?
Yeah. I'm not sure what that's about, but we'll have to mess with the jetting and make sure it's getting enough fuel and stuff.
Shoot! That was deeper than I thought it was.
like that it holds itself up now. That's a frosty buns machine. It just piles slush onto your butt. But it's so much fun. I think the gearing's actually kind of perfect. Like, it's slow, but any higher gearing in it just wouldn't even be able to get up to speed in the first place.
Yeah.
So, yeah, it's good. Everything seems to be holding up.
Mint.
Guess it's time to take it out into the mountains.
It's about that time.
Let me just pick up my snow bike and carry it around. You know.
You don't have to worry about getting stuck with this thing.
Yeah. Oh no, it's stuck. Whatever shall I do?
I've gotten a few rides on this thing, built up some good confidence. And it's really incredible what it'll do back here in the woods. It goes up everything. It's not as tippy as it was before. And man, when you get traction, it just goes. Going over trees, logs, rocks, a lot of it. Like what? Going through tight trees like nobody's business. It really is fun. It makes me think that a pit bike on a small timber sled pit is probably a blast. The thing is just a dog. Uh-oh. Surprisingly, it took this long to happen, but I found the first limitation of the frame. The whole forks used to come out like this, and now they're like that.